These are the Wright brothers elevators at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. And as you can see, they're in the process of being modded. And they're on two separate controllers, so we're gonna ride the original ones first. That's gonna be a digital floor indicator. It's actually already working for these two elevators. We got this one. We're starting on 2 because, as you can see, 1 is locked. So let's go at 8. Still got the voice.
Level 8.
Okay, that was interesting. It all of a sudden went to 1. Anyway, we're here on 8. This is the top of the garage. Oh, and also you can actually see a shaft light is on over there. You can see down the shaft too. Not sure how much you can really see, but anyway, let's go back down the 2. Here's your directory. It's basically just long-term parking. And the 4th floor is the walkway to the terminal.
Level 2.
As you can see, 1 is under construction. So, anyway, now we rode an original elevator. Let's check out a new one. Alright, here's a new elevator. Only one of them is in service. Let's go to 2. Here's your directory. So as you can see, 1, 2, and 3 are parking. 4 is a walkway and also more parking. 5, 6, 7, all those are parking, and 8 is rooftop parking. Here's your certificate. Cab still hasn't been changed. So as you can see, 1 is still locked off. But anyway, there it goes. And that'll be it.